Yeah, I didn't watch it after I started testing.
Bailey, get.
Stuff, and then Davey was the sick one, so he forgot. It's like he didn't test before.
Bailey, Bailey, come here.
I'll get a little closer, buddy. A little too far. Move up a tiny bit.
Oh,
There you go. That's a way to chip it off.
Mommy, I saw one tomato in here.
I know. We're starting to get a bunch. We just need them to turn up.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Mom, there's like this bunch just right here. They're like, I want to see. No, I think you're playing baseball.
Yeah, you're hitting home runs, man. Come on, hit one over the fence.
You gotta scoot closer to the plate.
Well, he needs to go back. There you go. He knows where he's got to stand.
Hey, Kenny.
All right, let's see you step now. Can you step?